Achievements of Jamia Binoria and its divisions. Jamia Binoria was founded back in 1978 by the late Qari Abdul Halim rahimahullah. Later on, with the support of his son, Sheikh Mufti Muhammad Naeem, it became Binoria University International. And today, in 2019, it has become an organization with various divisions. A brief overview of the divisions. Starting with Tahfiz al-Quran, many completed the memorization of the Holy Quran this year. Both local and foreign students were amongst those who accomplished this great feat. Specializations. There were many who will finish within the fields of tafsir, hadith, fiqh, and Arabic literature and English. MA. A great number of students will have the privilege of graduating with their masters. Hufaz al-Arabi. This program was designed for Hufaz to initiate fluency in the Arabic and English languages respectively within 1 year. Dar al-Ifta wal-Qada. A shining star amongst our various divisions is our Dar al-Ifta wal-Qada, which personally answered questions from across Pakistan and abroad, both in person and by email. We are proud to announce that from our beloved Women's Department, both local and foreign students graduated from the Master's Program and Tahfiz al-Quran Foreign Department. Teachers of the department were invited to judge a Quran competition at DSU. Teachers were also invited to conduct an Arabic short course session at DHA. 2 teachers of Binoria completed a corporate workshop on Islamic finance organized by State Bank of Pakistan. Teachers also traveled abroad to deliver special lectures at many ceremonies and visited the branches where they met our esteemed alumni. A number of councils met and built a relationship with our esteemed university, which resulted in visits to the university by the councils along with their foreign government officials. We strengthened these ties by gathering at national celebrations, sporting activities, and our annual event for their students at our venue. Special meetings with the ambassadors were made to build relations to work for mutual understanding. We have began the equivalency processes for the students of their countries. MOUs were signed by Binoria and Frankfurt University in Germany for exchange programs. MOUs were also signed between Binoria and Ansar in sponsoring deserving students. Along with that, MOUs were signed between Binoria and PSU. And lastly, another MOU is under process with Naratiwat University in student exchange programs and summer camps, along with degree equivalency.
Department for Revenue Generation. Our projects to generate our own revenue this year have been special. The gymnasium was inaugurated and a multitude of renovations for our various existing revenue generating sources took place. Along with that, both internal and external audits were done for the last financial year.
Dar al-Tasnif wa Tahqiq. Along with our monthly magazine, our Chancellor of Jamia Binoria published the next volume of his luminous tafsir, Ruh al-Quran, Binoria Publications. This year, the Book of Guidance to Prayer was translated and published into Khaymar, Idarat Ta'aleem wa Tarbiyah. The 7-year Alim curriculum has been written, designed, and implemented along with a transformative administrative system in both branches in Karachi and one in Cambodia. Binoria Academy and Secondary School. We had a multitude of students register for the metric exam. Infotech Computer Collegiate. In this, many students were awarded the degree of DIT as well as CIT. Adams Institute. The degree awarding institute completed all of its documents and the HEC has completed its visit to the university. This is the first ever initiative by an Islamic institute and the charter is soon to be approved by the government. Wifaqul Masajid. Mosques from different cities have been registered under the supervision of Binoria and are facilitated in every regard. New Muslim Foundation. One of our proudest achievements was that numerous individuals from several families from interior Sindh accepted Islam who were supported financially, legally, spiritually, and educationally by our institute. Welfare Trust. Furthermore, millions were spent in projects ranging from housing construction to marriage expenses, as well as water well installation, extracurricular and sporting activity. In Beit Salam Olympiad, we won the volleyball contest in both junior and senior categories. Likewise, we won best performance in the Sindh karate competition. Also, in the annual football tournament, Class 1 came out on top. Skills Development Center. Throughout the year, there were workshops organized under the topics of teacher training, maintenance, halal food, Islamic finance, as well as a visit to an Islamic bank. We sent several teachers for a teaching workshop, and we also sent several students to participate in the National Model OIC, and more will continue on to the Model United Nations. A delegation of our students also represented our motherland at the Qatar debate amongst the 59 international teams and won second place. Exchange program. Students were sent to Germany to participate in cooperative workshops and student exchange program. A Thai student delegation from various universities in Islamabad, as well as a delegation from Indonesia from IIUI, students from business administration, all arranged for various visits this year to Binoria University International. Consultancy. The graduating students are gathered and guided towards different relevant fields and paths according to the interest of the students. Students of differing branches were met and instructed about their future roadmap. Construction. We have completed a portion of our master map and our Vision 2020. Media and IT. A complete transmission on social media was streamed and broadcasted during Ramadan, and a number of patriotic songs and nasheeds were released throughout the year. We also reached a grand total of more than 82 million views within 6 months. A number of mega events have been organized, arranged, and managed both internally and externally. A large number of questions were answered using the Fatawa online app, both on iOS and Android. Several students graduated from different courses facilitated by Binoria e-classes, and many animals were slaughtered by overseas Pakistanis on the occasion of Eid al-Adha using our online Qurbani. Binoria University has a proud history of achievements in several areas, including academics, sports, as well as foreign relations. These foreign relations have further strengthened in recent years. Therefore, we celebrate our successes as individuals and as an institute. For over a decade, our outstanding educators have achieved a long list of accolades, and our world-class scholars are recognized for their contribution to many fields of inquiry. Our remarkable students continue to impress with stories of success and inspiration, both at home and on the world stage. This educational institute has achieved a number of its goals. It has initiated various new ventures, projects, and exchange programs, not only for its students, but also for the betterment of society. Binoria spreads awareness and access at home and across the globe for anyone who has the desire to seek this knowledge. May Allah accept the efforts made by the many people within this institute.